Is on tilt trading with today's live Bitcoin trading, the New York Open. Today is 6/29/25. Up today, I've been doing some back testing here on the 15-minute, so I will move ahead. And currently, I do not have a position in Bitcoin, but I did exit a position, or a position did hit my take profit earlier this morning. We'll do a current analysis of Bitcoin, and then I'll walk you through my Bitcoin position. So right now, top down here on the daily, the 9 EMA, which is this yellow line here, which is the 9, is currently trading above the 18. These are exponential moving averages. So the yellow line being the 9, the white line being the 18. So right now we're bullish here on Bitcoin. On the 4-hour chart, same thing, we have the 9 trading above the 18. So I'm bullish here. On the 60-minute, the 9 is currently trading above the 18. And same thing here on the 15-minute here. So bullish price action here currently, or price being delivered to the buy side here. This is the current range here on the daily from the last moving average crossover, from the most recent moving average crossover, which happened here. So this being the range low currently, and here being the range high here. So ideally looking for pullback for these moving averages to come down, and for pullback before a potential another leg up potentially, or it could just be a crossover and a sell here overall. But yeah, let's go into my trade here. I took this trade off of the 4-hour chart. Off of the 1-hour chart. So first of all, top down for this trade, the daily was price was being delivered to the buy side here. On the 4-hour, same thing, buy side delivery with the 9 above the 18. And then if we come in here on the 60-minute, we can see this price action here, and I'll remove the Fibonacci retracement tool so you can see the price action here. But this is the price action here that created the market structure shift right here. So we can see price action here trying to get going, but this price action here failing. And then this price action here failing as well, and then we get this price action coming in here that takes the 9 EMA above the 18. So this is where I put the Fibonacci retracement tool on, and then took an entry here at the 9 EMA, and then we can see price being delivered further to the sell side here, and basically consolidating here in this range after making the moving average crossover here, and then we get a breakout of this range here this morning, and up for take profit. My take profit was here at the 0.9 level at 108. 001.9 was my take profit level up here. So this trade was taken off of the 60-minute here. And I'm using the Fibonacci retracement tool here for profit taking, just an extension. So I look at 190% of the range. So this being the range here, in this Fibonacci retracement, this being the range, and then extending the range by 200%. So adding another range on top of it, but taking profits at the 90% level. And then if we're looking on the 15-minute, which I didn't take the trade off of, but looking at this orange lines here are the high and low of the Asian range of the overnight session or earlier today. And let's see, I would have been in position here since the morning, somewhere right up in here. So just the concept of entering before the high of the Asian range if you're going long, or entering before the low of the Asian range if you're short. But I was in this position much earlier, even before the range was set up, but still met that criteria. And then if we go and look at my tickets from yesterday, so this 437 buy, this is my first entry. Then I took an exit 3 minutes later, just because I saw I had taken the wrong size here. Wanted to go twice the amount of size here for risk, so I wound up taking this off. So wound up being maybe like a 20-25 cent loss here. Second position here at 442, and then a third position at 731. This position here at 731, I took off at 1825 for a little over $1 profit. I was over leveraged, and I'm trying to do a better job of risk management, so I took this off. In advance of the target, just because I was over leveraged and wanted to get down to my original size. And then we can see here at 405 today, getting the sell here from the original amount and getting a little over $8 here for profit. So a little about 1.5 to 1 reward to risk ratio on this particular trade. I'll take a 1 to 1, but prefer 3s and 4 to 1s much better. But this was my trade from yesterday. Nothing looks to be setting up today, or at least nothing else seems to be setting up today. This was a swing position here since I took it off of the 60-minute chart on this crossover. So I was just anticipating this trade to transpire within like 24 hours. I'd say if I take it off of the hour, I want to see the trade complete within likely a day, 24 hours. If I take something off the 4 hour, I want to see it. I want to see the trade at least hit take profit or stop out within 2 days, and off the daily 3 days. If I'm trading off the 15-minute, then it's just an intraday position here. But I've been back testing, or looking at back testing the 15-minute here for just time theory, or price and time theory, just looking at entries and trying to see whether or not it would be worthwhile for me to trade the London Open here. But seeing London trade, there's a London trade here. This is a New York trade here. But going back on these, in order to do a proper job on going back on these, I actually have to go back on all the time frames to ensure that everything is lined up. So I haven't done that yet. Still need to do that. But we can see this short coming in here. So right now, just marking stuff up, and then I'll have to go back. That didn't make it. I think this one. Here. But yeah, I've got to go back in and do some work with this and do some back testing to see if I'm going to want to make the London Open consistently here. So this happens at the US close here. So with this back testing here, I just wanted to test the viability of the London Open and see if I want to add it back into my routine. I've taken a break from day trading and went to swing trading just to lock in my system here, and then now I can attempt to deploy it day trade wise. So here, this still gives you an entry here in London. So London's viable there. We get a crossover here. This is US. Long and back short. There's a short that comes in here in London. Okay, come down here, pull back, yeah, and that's London, okay, so getting some activity here, so I may need to go back to trading London, so here's 6 o'clock here. So here's a New York. Okay. Here's another London. Yeah, it looks like day trading wise, I'll need to pick London back up. From the looks of things, I'm gonna have to add these higher time frame analysis if I can, but 434, 471, no, 506, yeah, and there, yeah. So London is still pretty viable. Get the crossover here. Pull back, but doesn't quite pull back. Not gonna catch that one. Let's see, get this price action here. Let's see if we get a close above. Yep, get a crossover. Over here, yep, and is that, yep, that's London. Okay, here's New York. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go back through this some more a little later. But yeah, it looks like London will likely go back onto the day trade radar here. Quite a lot of trades setting up there. Not every day, but enough to want to check back frequently enough here. Okay. How far did I go back here? 6:15. Okay. Go back like 2 weeks, which is good. Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to continue back testing here. Since I would say the move of the day, or at least of the morning here, here on this, let's say, non-New York open day. Right now, we just hit what would be the New York Open on a standard business day, with this being a Sunday, not being a standard business day. Price action is likely going to shape up in a similar way, just based on the algorithm going through its cycle of price action or delivery. So I would, with the amount of extension here on the 60-minute, I would anticipate, and here on the 4-hour daily as well, I would anticipate some pullback at some point, potentially today. And then I'll keep an eye on the moving averages here on the 4-hour and on the daily here for the coming week to see what price action here may have in store. But this will do it for my New York session open here today. And this is on Tilt Trading with, again, the live Bitcoin trading, the New York Open. We'll see you next time.